like she ain't got a rope. Suicidal thoughts, got him chasing hoes. Homicidal thoughts, smoking the occasion. I smoke so much that my eyes look Asian. Eyes closed shut, hold deeper than a slut. Whispered in my ear, every fucking dog has its fucking day. I'm the fucking dog, and you the fucking day. Shit don't click, nothing but a sleigh. Let me light a spliff, got no lighter, light it up in hell. Shit that I spit, probably heat up hell. Microwave shit, ain't no kiss and tell. Penmanship fast, spill ink on my canvas. Flows in California, probably land in Calabasas. Post on Twitter, no pics, post captions. Quote these words, now back to the topic. You cap and get your topic. Faker, I'm the illest. The lyricist, the realist. Matrix with the blue pill. On path like I'm Kill Bill. Headshots, I'm the real deal. Cause panic, causes standstill. Slit your throat, watch blood spill. I'm ruthless, I don't exhale. I hide out in the inhale. Back to the topic, back to the topic, back to the topic. Stop capping, get your topic. Back to the topic, shooters in the tropics. Back to the topic, oh no, I forgot it. Back to the topic, you cap and get your topic. Back to the topic, shooters in the tropics. Back to the topic, oh no, I forgot it. Back to the topic, stop capping, get your heartbeat. Back to the topic, back to the topic. Fight that shit raw, spit fire, then you cook it for me. Use your ass as inventory, sell you like a lawyer story. Jury that's gon' bask in glory. Cap and flurry, like I'm Andy Murray. In obituary, see you at the cemetery. Switches, there was Hitler's maybe struggled. Hitler's maybe trend, or the Bible maybe.